Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we pick up at mile 225.6 on South Quadrille Boulevard, midway through West Palm Beach, and resuming from our last video. Here, US 1 is jogged a block west, and both directions run on Quadrille for this segment, while Dixie Highway to our east functions as a southbound one-way local street. Quadrille is mostly one lane each way, with a center turn lane, with a short raised median right at the start of this video. 2 blocks to our west, the Florida East Coast Railway carries Brightline trains through downtown. Just ahead, US 1 will curve back east to rejoin Dixie Highway as we continue north through the core of the city. We swing left to rejoin Dixie Highway and settle into the northbound side of US 1. West Palm Beach had about 124,000 residents as of the 2023 American Community Survey, with a median household income around $83,000 and a median value of owner-occupied homes around $459,000. The city's name reflects its position west of Palm Beach across the Lake Worth Lagoon, and its early growth traces to Henry Flagler, who platted West Palm Beach in the 1890s to support his resort across the water. We cross Palm Beach Lakes Boulevard, a major east-west arterial. To the west, it heads toward I-95 and the Tanger Outlets area. To the east, it reaches Flagler Drive by the Intracoastal Waterfront. At this point, Dixie Highway has 2 lanes in each direction without a center turn lane, so left turns rely on signalized brakes and traffic. The corridor stays tight here with frequent signals and closely spaced driveways. Northbound on Dixie, downtown gives way to older commercial blocks and apartments. A few blocks east along the waterfront, Sunfest sets up each spring on Flagler Drive, while weekly city events animate the Clematis Street area. South of here on South Dixie Highway, the Norton Museum of Art anchors the cultural scene. Up here, US 1 keeps a steady rhythm of signals, side streets, and local businesses as we head toward Northwood. We turn left onto 25th Street as US 1 jogs west. At filming time, construction activity squeezed this already narrow link between Dixie and Broadway, and traffic bunches up toward the signal. A few blocks farther west along 25th Street is the Storm of 28 Memorial Park, marking the mass burial site from the 1928 Okeechobee hurricane, an important local landmark just off our route, though not visible from the car on this block. Right turn onto Broadway and US 1 heads north again. This stretch fronts early post-war commercial buildings, small shopping strips, and older motels. We skirt the edge of the Old Northwood Historic District between Broadway and Dixie from about 26th to 35th Streets. And just a block or two east is Northwood Village, a compact dining and arts area that livens up on event nights. The city has plans underway along Broadway to make this corridor more walkable with multiple paths and shade trees. Continuing north on Broadway, signals come quickly at numbered streets. As we approach 45th Street, this is County Road 702, west to I-95 in the Hospitals District, east toward the waterfront neighborhoods. US 1 keeps threading through tight blocks here, with frequent turns and bus stops typical of older North End corridors. We roll toward the West Palm Beach city limit. Signals continue at the numbered streets, and the corridor stays compact through older commercial blocks. Our segment ends at the northern city limits of West Palm Beach. We conclude today's video at mile 229.4. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.